Everyone, good evening. See, I am not happy at all. I am not happy. And I think this is the right time for me to call this girl out because I don't understand. I'm fed up. I don't know why somebody will be staying in my house. We'll eat together, sleep together, play together. In fact, I will go outside and hustle. You will still be in the house doing nothing. You will just, as in, you go just day. The work is getting too much on me, and she's not even helping the situation. She will just stand there and be looking at me as if I'm not talking to her. Yes, I'm talking to you now. I don't know what is going to happen tonight. Maybe you'll be the one to go outside, or I'll be the one to just go and find my way. I don't even know what is going to happen today because you are not even helping me. All the bees are on me for Christ's sake. I went out today. I don't even have anything. I don't have anything with me like this. Shishi, I no get. Cash no dey, food no dey for house. Okay, oh, I can't tell her say okay, oh, yeah, you two go and hustle. She can't dey look me as if so I don't know. Maybe you guys will help me to ask her. Maybe she will have something in mind to tell me on how we are going to run this business, or most especially how to pay house rent. Because now I'm having serious headache. As you guys can see my hair. Torí Ọlọ́run. So I'll go and give her the phone now. Maybe she will talk to you guys because she have already refused to answer me. The disrespect is getting too much. She's even seeing so many things that people are not seeing outside. So we are now mates, and it's not her fault. Shouldn't I even allow her to come to the house, but it's fine. Maybe tonight, I don't know what is going to happen between me and her. So please, let me go and give her the phone now. Maybe she will talk to Una. Because right now she's not even talking to me anymore, and I don't know what is going on with her. So that is why I say, okay, well, let me just bring it out, because they say, hey, something. So Angela, now you have to talk. Angela, talk. What is going to happen? So we should share it. You'll be the one paying the service charge. I'll be the one pay. I don't just understand. Today, you just need to tell me something. I dey follow you. You still dey wear cap. What rubbish? No. As in, no, the disrespect is getting too much.